Yes, good afternoon, children. Okay, you already learned about the shapes, isn't it? Different shapes, and what are the or how many sides of the each shape, and what is the special feature of that shape, isn't it? And what are the different shapes, children? Square, triangle, rectangle, circle, isn't it? And square has how many sides for a square, children? Four sides, isn't it? And that four sides are equal, isn't it? That four sides are equal. And what about that triangle, children? Triangle has three sides, isn't it? How many sides has a triangle? A triangle has three sides and different types of triangles, okay? And that you can study in the higher classes. And next, what is next, children? Rectangle, isn't it? And rectangle means that also four sides. But rectangle has four sides, but two sides, opposite two sides are equal, isn't it? Opposite two sides are equal. That is the special feature of the rectangle, isn't it? Rectangle has also four sides. That these are the opposite sides. That opposite sides are equal, and these two sides are opposites, and that four sides but opposite sides are equal. But in square, that is four sides but that four sides are equal, isn't it? Triangle has many types of triangle, and you can study. Now you can you how to study only three sides for the triangle. That you know, isn't it? And circle, the circle has no sides. Okay. And what about dictation, children? I think I got 10 out of 10, isn't it? That you sent through the WhatsApp. Okay. Yes. The next one is mirror house, isn't it? Mirror house, that also you already learned. What is mirror house, children? Mirror house means that is two sides of an object. Two sides of an object is equal. That is, if we divide an object by a dotted line, if we divide an object by a dotted line, and if the two parts means right and left side of that object is equal, then we can call it as mirror house. Okay. Then look here, this one is a triangle. Look here, this one is a triangle. If we divide this by a dotted line like this, if we divide this triangle by like this, so this triangle is a mirror house because this sides and this left side and right side are equal, isn't it? So we can call it as this triangle is a mirror house. Okay, or otherwise, if we or if this triangle, if we divide like this, same triangle, that is a same triangle, but if we divide this triangle like this, then this one is not a mirror because here this side like this and this side, that is two sides are two different. So we can tell this one is not a mirror. Okay, this one is not a mirror. And next one, otherwise, look here and the picture is, look here, this one, if we draw like this, this one is another picture, and if we divide this by dotted line, this one also, yes, this one also mirror because these two parts are two sides are equal. Okay, so that is also a mirror. And if there is, if this one, if we like this way, no problem, that is a mirror. Or if we divide this by this way, then this one is not a mirror because this side and this side are not equal, so that is not a mirror. Okay, children, then we can take next page. Look here, here some pictures already given. Look here, children, page number 9. Page number 9. Here you can see different types of pictures already given. In that pictures you have to identify, is this mirror or not? Is this mirror or not? Look into first picture, children. That is a triangle, isn't it? And that is divided into like this way. So this side and this side, both sides are equal. So that is a mirror. And next one, second one also you can look at here. Then second one also in the center, then both sides are equal, so we can call it as that triangle also mirror. And third one, that is also a triangle, but that divide like this way. So I already showed. Then this part and this part is exactly different. So that is not a mirror. And look at here, this picture. In this picture, if we keep a mirror in between that, then you can understand, is it mirror or not. And here, look here, this side here some appear there, and here also, and this one is not a mirror because these two sides are not equal, so that is not a mirror. And this one also you can, at a glance you can say this one is the mirror, isn't it? But here look here, then three circles, and under that you can see one triangle. Three circles here, and under that one triangle, and you can say that is not a mirror, isn't it? Because here half of, not half, 1/4 of the circle, 1/4 of these two circles and one circle here, but here 3/4 of the circles and one triangle, so that is not a mirror. Okay, that is not a mirror. And here look here, that is the letter B. In that letter B, two sides are equal, both sides are so we can call it as mirror. And this one T, that also mirror. And look at children, this picture, look here, this picture, here is small one, here is, this one is the small triangle, and this one is the long one. So that is not, both sides are not equal, so we can, that is not a mirror. And in this picture also, these both sides are not equal, so that is not a mirror. And here look here, in this sign, in this picture, that is divide in between this. Okay, then both parts are same, right and left sides are equal, so that is a mirror. And in this letter M, that is also mirror, both sides are equal. And here look here, this one also both sides are equal, that is not a problem, so that is a mirror. And next picture also as same, so that is not a problem, that is also mirror. And look here children, this one is the two here, which one is the, that is a big one, and this one, this shape is a small shape, so that is not a mirror. That is both sides are not equal, that is one is big and one is small one, so that is not a mirror. And look here, this one also mirror, that is two triangles you can see here, isn't it? So this one is a so many pictures included in this page, and some pictures are mirrors and some pictures are not mirror. So you have to do this one. I will send this page through WhatsApp group, and you have to do this in your notebook. Okay, some children have not got the textbook, isn't it? So everyone want to do like that. Okay, I will send this page. Then if you got the textbook, then you can look and do it. In the notebook you have to draw like this. In these pictures you have to draw and divide this. How they divide, that you also divide like that, and put a tick mark. If that is a mirror, then put a tick mark, or otherwise you put a cross mark. Okay, then next one, give some more examples also you have to give here. Some more examples you can, 1 2 3 4 examples you also given here. You have to give the, okay. Then next one, that is you can do homework, that is you have to do as a homework, because I have to send that, isn't it? So next another homework, that is class assignment time. You can write this one children, write from 250 to 350. That is a homework. And next, that is a class assignment time. You can make use of this. Okay, class assignment time. And next one, homework. That is page number 9. Page number 9. Okay, that I will send through the WhatsApp group, and you have to identify which one is the mirror and which one is not mirror. Okay, bye children, bye.